Welcome. In today's tutorial, we'll walk you through a handy feature on WhatsApp for PC, how to switch to the next chat using keyboard shortcuts. This new update makes navigating between conversations faster and more efficient. Let's get started. First, open the WhatsApp app on your computer. If you haven't installed it yet, make sure to download it from the official website and log in using your account credentials. Once you have WhatsApp open, select any chat from your list. This can be a conversation with a friend, family member, or even a group chat. The idea is to start from one active chat before moving to the next. Now, here's where the magic happens. Press Ctrl plus Tab on your keyboard. This shortcut will instantly take you to the next chat in your list. It's quick and seamless, allowing you to move between conversations without needing to use your mouse. Alternatively, if you prefer another shortcut, you can use Ctrl plus Shift plus closing bracket. This combination also lets you jump to the next chat effortlessly. Both shortcuts work perfectly on the desktop version of WhatsApp for Windows PCs. These shortcuts are particularly useful if you're managing multiple chats or responding to messages in bulk. Instead of manually clicking through each conversation, these commands save time and streamline your workflow. And that's it. You now know how to navigate between chats on WhatsApp for PC using keyboard shortcuts. Try it out and see how much easier it is to stay connected with everyone. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to share it with others who might benefit from these tips. Thanks for watching and happy chatting.